Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
It's to help you to stay on track. Okay, interesting. Why would risk analysis help you to stay on track?
Well, because you've gone through the innovative stage, and all these ideas have come out, and some of the ideas might fit in with your overall plan, but then you need to say, well, is this actually possible? What's the risk of implementing that? Do we really require that?
Okay.
So it's a bit of reality almost.
Yes, and it makes sense what you're saying. By saying that risk analysis helps you to keep on track presupposes what though? Presupposes that you've already started.
Yeah.
So when do you do the risk analysis? After you've already started?
No.
Well, you just gone through the idea stages technically.
This is what we did yesterday.
Yeah.
We haven't even started. Hypothetically, if we were doing that for real as a team, all working together, working on one particular project together, we're just exploring ideas on day one. Day two, we now have to plan and drive that idea forward.
Mm-hmm.
So, but before we start taking action and walking up the mountain, this is what the other presenters do when they walk, just kidding. You're walking up the mountain, which means that you're now making the investments. Before you do that, you have to do this, not later.
Yeah, before you start your first.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I know it just sounds so just nonsensical to even have this conversation and overly simplistic, but people still start projects and do the risk analysis later. And what do people say? We will cross that
Bridge when we come to it.
Yeah. Not a great business strategy.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.